Hi there, my name is Alexander and I maintain this channel sharing with you different tricks related to Power BI. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to enrich your dashboards with some elements of infographics. In my case, I will do it with the help of PowerPoint. Intrigued? Then please keep watching and don't suppress that feeling to hit the thumbs up button or to subscribe to my channel in case you find this video deserving that. For now, I'm going to disappear from your screen and give the floor to my Power BI desktop and the report I prepared for today's video. Let's go! We will start from this super simple dashboard with those two clumsy bars from the 100% stacked column chart. What we want to do is to transform this dashboard in something more good looking. For example, in the dashboard like this, where the clumsy bars are replaced by the figures of a man and a woman. Off we go, but before that, a side note. You can find the links in the description to this video, allowing you to download both the Titanic dataset from kaggle.com and my report from this video, in case you want to download it and study under the microscope for some reason. Let's go back to our starting point, and the solution will be as simple as that. We need to insert an image which we prepared earlier. And this image is some kind of magical because it contains the man figure, which is transparent. We need to scale it properly. Ensure that it is well settled. Move it. And we need to insert another image representing a woman and scale it alike. Move it a little bit. Simple enough, right? Except for the part where I used the PNG files prepared earlier. If you ain't a Photoshop guru, you can use PowerPoint to create such images. Follow me, I will show you how. So here's my way to create PNG files with transparent parts in PowerPoint. First of all, let's insert an icon containing images of a man and a woman, like that. Should we be able to use these icons for our purposes, it would have reduced the complexity of the task dramatically, but unfortunately we cannot. So instead, using circles, triangles and rectangles, we can repeat those icons like that. After that, we need to unionize those parts. We can do it like that. Now we have to add a couple of rectangles, send them to the back. After that, we need to subtract our figures from the rectangles. We can do it with the same menu we used earlier. Now we need to group our compositions. And the remaining thing to do is to save our compositions into separate files where this menu save as picture. Let's name them properly. Our files are here. They have those transparent parts, and that's the end of this task. The trick is fully applicable in Excel. For example, we can create such a stripe with stars in PowerPoint and replace the bars in 100% stack chart in Excel with cute infographics like this. That's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, you can check a couple more using the links on this page and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the new ones. Thank you for watching anyways. Take care. Bye bye.